UPSC is a journey which has its own set of highs and lows. But one thing that remains constant in this journey is not negotiating at all with your static. And that's precisely what mentors here at Bano IAS guided me to do. Preparing your short notes for the static subjects, namely history, geography, economics, and polity, should be an aim that cannot be ignored. Apart from that, I do believe that means preparation before you go for your first prelims is a pivotal step in your journey. Apart from that, also one thing that cannot be ignored, as Shabnam also mentioned, is answer writing, as well as not just answer writing, but getting them evaluated, discussing them along with your peers. That's something that really helps. Personally, even for getting selected in RCA, I had a lot of support from the Bano IAS mentors such as Deep sir and Vinay sir, who would check my essays, who would guide me, because essay is one thing that is a game changer for RCA selection and it cannot be ignored at all. And they would guide me on maintaining the flow of the essay, how I could improve my writing skill and everything, which really helped me in the long run. Apart from that, I also believe that peer discussion and having a peer group, which I would also suggest, is that there's no difference in RCA compared to here, which is very vast. It's only that there you get a sort of community where people are, they have the same goal. So they sit down, they discuss over topics, they discuss about their answers, how one can improve through the strengths of the other. So the only thing that could be implemented here as well is that, in small groups with your mentors, you discuss one-on-one what the issues are, because in this journey, every single person has their own different set of challenges that cannot be kind of generalized as such. Apart from that, I also would like to advise all those who are currently preparing to keep answer writing on a regular basis, as well as write essays. And one way to go about that would be to kind of not obfuscate over multiple resources, than to focus just on the static and what's being taught here as part of your foundation, and then building it forth with your notes. So that was what I believe helped me, and thank you so much.